If you need to unlink a bank account from your Gumroad account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Gumroad account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Payments Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Payments tab. This section contains all the information related to your bank account and payment methods. Step 4. Locate your bank account. Scroll through the payment settings to find the bank account you wish to unlink. There should be an option to view or manage your linked accounts. Step 5. Unlink the bank account. Click on the option to unlink or remove the bank account. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the account is successfully unlinked. After completing these steps, your bank account will be removed from your Gumroad account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Gumroad support for assistance.